Thinking about hiring a professional home contractor before or after your move? Knowing the right time to bring in a pro can save you money, time, and a lot of stress. If you're planning major renovations, it's best to hire a contractor well before you move in. Projects like remodeling a kitchen, redoing bathrooms, or updating flooring are much easier when the house is empty. It helps the contractor work faster and keeps you out of the mess and noise. For smaller fixes like painting or light installations, you can usually wait until after you've moved in. That way, you can live in the space for a bit, see what really needs attention, and make smarter decisions about upgrades. Always plan ahead. Good contractors are in high demand, so try to book them at least a few weeks or even months in advance. Check their licenses, insurance, and references to make sure they're reliable and experienced. If you're moving to a new area, ask your real estate agent or new neighbors for recommendations. Local insight is one of the best ways to find trustworthy contractors. Timing is everything. Hire too early and you might not have a clear plan. Hire too late and you could face long wait times or higher costs. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.